Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm going to be a little bit quiet because my baby is sleeping for once. So I want to show you guys the deals for the Walgreens ad preview for May 26th through Saturday, June 1st. I am going to give you guys a heads up and say it's not the greatest. Now we are only getting one inserts, which I haven't looked at, but I do know it's the PNG inserts. So if you guys want to stock up a lot on those inserts, go for it. I'm going to probably pass and see what I can do later on. But I'm here to share with you guys the deals that we are getting. Now here we are getting an online coupon for all for $2 off, so you guys can get all laundry for $3.99. Not the greatest. It looks like it is the larger bottle, so if it's up to you guys what you want. If you figure out the math of how much it costs when you pay for it with the other size towards that, it might be the same, but it's up to you guys. They do have deals on Kit Kat bars and Reese's. Now these are great filler items. Every time you guys use a register reward and you have equal coupons and you want to use a register reward, those are great items to use. So those are 50 cents a piece. I stock up on those like crazy because it's such a great deal. Now they also have cereal for $1.77. Looks like the Post brand. And then I think it's Quaker for $1.77. That's a pretty decent deal. If you guys are interested in that. And there is another deal that's coming up further on. Now if you guys need pop or soda, they're 3 for $9.99. I don't think that's a great deal. I always try to pay $2.50 for a 12-pack of pop. That's what I believe in paying, so it's up to you guys if you guys really need it. But there are going to be a lot of deals because of graduation coming up. If your schools haven't graduated yet. Chips are 2 for $4, which could be a decent deal. But other than that, they do have ice cream for $3.95. And then the last page they show Persil is $4.99. We are getting an online coupon for $2 off, making it $2.99. Now the deal on Ibotta is gone, so there won't be a deal for that. But they have a deal right here where if you spend $20, you get 5,000 points. I have a feeling there might be some digital coupons, but Pantene is 3 for $12. You're getting a 5 off of 3, making them $7. You guys can basically get 6 of them, pay 14 bucks, and then you get all 6 of them for $9. I would not do that deal, but there might be some great digitals coming up, so giving you guys a heads up with that. Here they got more food deals. Life cereal is also $1.77. In the $5.19 Smart Source, we have $1 off a 2 coupon. You guys would end up paying $2.54 for 2 of them, or $1.27, which I think is a good deal. I like snacking on Life cereal. I don't like putting it in milk, but I like snacking on it. So in case you guys want to do that deal, I'm not sure if there's other coupons for the other cereals, but sharing with you guys with that. A lot of food deals, nothing really, you know, popping up. They got ketchup, buy one get one free, mayo, buy one get one free, so it's up to you guys what you want to do for that. The baby is starting to wake up, so you'll hear her baby grunts. Here we got some other candy. Nothing really popping out if you guys see anything on here. Now here they have a deal where you buy 3, you get 1 free, and that's with the Tide, the Downy, then Stopples, and the Bounce. You guys could use one of those each coupons. I'm not sure what the price point would be for that, but if you guys are interested in that. The bigger bottles of Dawn and the Cascade is $4.99. When you guys buy 3, you get 3,000 points, which could be a good idea. Here we got Windex and Scrubbing Bubbles. Now we did have $1 off coupons from coupons.com for those, so there might be some great deals with that. Now we're going on to pictures. Here they got them for 10 cents a piece. You have to order 100 of them to get them at 10 cents a piece. So if you guys have pictures from all year long, I usually kind of order them all at the same time. Now we're in the makeup deals. Here you get a $5 register reward when you buy L'Oreal. When you buy 2 of them, Revlon and Almay is buy one get one 50% off. Now there is a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for Revlon Eye, and then we did get some coupons about 2 weeks ago, and I'm not sure when they expire, but there's that. So there might be some digital coupons. Now there's a train honking their horn. So yeah, not much going on with the whole shampoo conditioner stuff. Like nothing's really popping out. It's gonna be kind of a slow week, you guys, which is fine. They kind of do it around holidays anyways, and plus there's really no good inserts. Here they got Colgate toothpaste for $2.99. You get 3,000 points when you guys buy 2. Now we did get some coupons.com coupons from last Sunday for $1 off. You guys would end up paying $3.98, but then you get a 3,000 points. Comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece if you guys are interested in that. I say an okay deal. Do not do the Crest deal. It includes toothbrushes, mouthwash, and floss. It's $3.99. We are getting $1 off coupons, making them $2.99. You guys would end up paying $8.97 for all 3 of those, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making them $3.97 or $1.32 a piece. I would not do that deal. Not do that deal unless you guys absolutely need that stuff. Here's some Poise stuff that people are going crazy. They're $5.99. We did get some $3 off coupons. There was some on coupons.com. There's digital coupons. But then you guys can also use a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So here's another deal where if your store refuses to let you use both, they show it in the ad. A lot of you guys say that your stores don't let you do both. It shows it right in the ad. I'd always keep an example of that just to shove it down their throats if you guys get stores that refuse stuff like that. But they come out to be 99 cents. So that is a great deal. Now we're pretty much on the last page. There's like hardly anything. But I found this on the website, Walgreens.com, but this is just that. So otherwise, that is it. It is a slow week, which is fine because people are focusing on the holidays and getting out of school. So I just want to share with you guys on that. Hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.